Good morning to all of you. Happy New Year to all of you. So today we'll start a new lesson, a Tryst with Python. Okay. So we'll cover main features of Python, Python ideally, Python interactive mode, and form strings. These four topics we'll cover today. Okay. And what is Python? Python is actually the most popular language. We have read it in. It is used in AI also. Okay. So it is the most popular programming language today. Python is open source programming language, means you can download and you can use it. You don't need any license to use it. Okay, you can download by using https www.python.org/downloads. Okay, Python is an easier and platform independent language. The link is given in your book. You can follow that. Python has a huge library of pre-designed data structures and modules to perform complex operations quickly and easily. Python is an interpreted based language. An interpreted language is translated and executed statement by statement until the end of the program or until an error is encountered. Okay, you know that no computer understands only binary language. So everything whatever we'll read, that needs to be converted to binary language. So that translator we use compiler or interpreter we use for translating it. Okay. So in Python, interpreter is used. So it is an interpreted based language, and interpreted by language is translated and executed statement by statement, means line by line. The program will execute until the end of the program or until any error is encountered. Okay. So next is your Python ideally. What is this Python ideally? Ideally is Python's integrated development and learning environment. It allows interactive as well as script modes to work with Python interpreter. It provides an editor to write and edit your scripts and to save them. Okay. Python shell is built into ideally, which interprets the commands and scripts submitted to it. Okay. In interactive mode, user keys in one command at a time. Interactive mode today we'll read. Okay. In interactive mode, user keys in one command at a time, and in response to that command, Python displays the output. The command are issued at Python command prompt denoted by triple greater than symbol. Okay. Today we'll read this. We'll do the program in this interactive mode, and next video I'll show you how to use this ideally interactive mode. Okay. So for with strings, we will read strings are the characters or letters in a sequence. Okay, means bits in a string you can compare. Okay, so when characters will combine together, that will make a string. Strings are enclosed within single or double quotes. For example, see one city, Bangalore, New Delhi. These all are it will be enclosed within double quotes. Okay. One function is there, len function. This is an inbuilt Python function which accepts a string as parameter and returns number of letters in it. That is the length of the string star. Suppose you will write len len. It is a function. Okay, it will return a value str star. Then it will return you 4, means the number of characters present in that string. It will include space and your special symbols. Whatever will be there, it will count. Okay. Similarly, len of New Delhi, it will return 9 including the space. Concatenation means combination of strings or joining of strings. While we are reading Java, I told you that what is concatenation of strings means joining of the strings. Okay. Conjugative strings can be combined using addition operator plus. Suppose one string is in India and one string is in is another is your country, and it will combine together, the output will be India is my country. Okay, means all the three strings will be combined together with the plus symbol. Okay. Next, accessing individual letters of a string. Suppose how can you access individual letter of a string? Okay, Python positions the letter in a string on the basis of 0 based index. It means that first letter of the string is at position 0, second on position 1, and so on. Suppose length function we are using, no, it is giving us the output, the number of characters present in that string. So it will start counting from means the position will be 0. Okay. For example, in the string morning, suppose here you see string. Suppose 0 position it will print, the output will be M. 1 position it will be O. 2 position it will be R. n will be in the third position. Similarly, in backward if we will count, g will be in the -1, -2, -3, like this it will go. Okay. Displaying range of letters in a string. Suppose some of the letters from a string you want to display. So range of letters can be accessed by mentioning starting index position followed by colon and then ending index position and -1. Okay. So for example, suppose a string is like this. So if you want from 0 position to 4 position. So what will be for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the output will be 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, because 4 means it will go for index position -1. Okay, 4 -1, 3. Up to 3 it will go. Similarly, 6 to 9. So it will come to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will start from C and 6, 7, 8. 9 given. So 9 -1, 8. So up to 8 position it will go. So okay. So this way it will count the displaying range of letters in a string. Okay, I will do and show you now. Okay, don't worry. Open your screen. Okay, suppose a simple one I will show you. Suppose if you are writing here 3 plus 4 plus it will be 7. You can see there. So in your book also some of the calculations given. You can try here, just like here it is given 43 minus 7 into 9. Okay, you will get the result as -20. Suppose another given, in from your book only I am doing. You can go for page number 116. 5 will get a 6.6. Similarly, suppose you will write this will not save. Suppose like this, and it will write here a into b. Multiply and it will solve. Okay. Suppose you want to calculate. Okay. Suppose b is equal to 10. Okay. Next step, b is equal to suppose b minus 1. Okay. Then suppose I will write here display b. Okay. So this way, any calculations if you want, you can. This is your what is interactive mode. Triple greater than symbol, here the cursor will be position. Okay, you can write the commands. It will not save. Okay, in this mode we cannot save the things till we are working. It will be there, and when we will close the program, it will not be saved. So the program we want to save, we will do it in interactive mode. Okay. So suppose now I want to show you. Suppose a string is there. Suppose I am writing a is equal to delta. Okay. Suppose if we will write here then okay. Okay. So lane, because all the means characters will be in double quote. Okay. Okay, you write like this. Lane. Okay, this way write otherwise. Okay. So I am telling you that we can write suppose so now I can show you that this is here. Okay, suppose your model. Okay, suppose suppose now we'll type str of 0. It will start from 0 position. So the output it will show you as n. Suppose if we write str is equal to str of 5. So what it will show you? The letter means at the fifth position. That is your n. Okay. Suppose from the middle you want. Suppose I will write str. Str here is the string name. Suppose position of 3 to 6. 6 means last index position minus 1 means up to fifth position it will go. So what it will show you? So colon I forgot. So we'll write str of 3 colon 6. Okay. So like this. Okay. Suppose you will write here str. Then suppose you are writing here it is 4. Means nothing is there means it will start from 0 position. Means in the first position I am not mention any number. So it will start from 0 to 3 position. Okay. 4 characters. Okay. Suppose if we write here like str of suppose 2 position and I will leave like this means it will go up to last. Okay. So this way you can bring the means some latest characters from the middle of the string by using the function str. Okay. Now str is the string name. Okay. So you can use that index position. Initial means first position of the letter, then colon, then in last position index position minus 1. Okay. So up to that position it will go. So this way you can use it the strings functions all. Len function you can use also. Okay, suppose if I write here, suppose f name, writing suppose name. Okay. Suppose I will write l name. Okay, suppose if I write here f name plus l name, then it will also mean to join that string. Okay, so this way any number of n number of strings you can join by using the plus symbol. It is known as the concatenation of the string. Okay, so this way you can use the means use string functions. Suppose if I write here str of minus 1. Str string is my morning. I have assigned str as morning. Minus 1 means it will start from counting from the backward position. Okay, so it will show me now g. Okay, suppose if I write str of minus 3, so backward it will go and it will show you. Okay, so this way we can we use the strings functions and operations with strings. Okay, so you practice it. Hope all of you understood. If any doubt you can ask. Online classes will start there, you can ask. Okay, thank you all. Have a nice day.